Hello and welcome to SAP.com, business technology platform. No code, low code, artificial intelligence, rapid app development, robotic process automation. These are the buzzwords in today's modern SAP world. But you may not get opportunity to work in all these technologies in all your projects. And there is one suite which almost all clients are migrating to. And you get to try. S4 HANA is being accepted and implemented by all major companies, and with this comes the demand of ABAP on HANA developers. We are ready with a specially curated course where we will get very comfortable with the essence of ABAP on HANA. We have named this course as Master SAP SQL Script, AMDP and CDS. ABAP on HANA has lot of scope both horizontally and vertically. But 90% of the ABAP on HANA projects usually need just the right blend of SQL Script, OData services, and ABAP managed database procedure. If you could understand the use cases and the correct way to implement these three topics, you can very well project yourself as a good ABAP on HANA developer. Let us look into some details of the topics at a granular level, which we are planning to cover during this course. We will start with what SQL Script is, where do we need it, and why do we need it. Once we understand where SQL Script comes into picture, we will start how to write our first SQL Script. We will cover the important data types used in SQL Script. We will talk about the containers and anonymous functions. We will have enough hands-on examples to clarify the topics. We will then see where AMDP fits in ABAP on HANA. Why do we need AMDP? And what is AMDP? How SQL Script and AMDP are interrelated? Our expert trainer will also explain why AMDP is preferred over directly creating stored procedure. We will continue SQL Script for loop, procedures, declarative statement, and imperative statement. We will check how we can use data element in AMDP procedure function and also learn how to call a procedure from another procedure. We will continue with IFLs, while loop, temporary table concepts in SQL Script, database cursor, parameterized database cursor, SQL exception, and the right way to handle exceptions in SQL Script. We will cover enough examples to showcase the exception handling for specific error codes. We will continue our exploration of exception handle with examples of how to handle multiple exceptions. Trim array and cardinality are very important topics, and we will cover them with good use cases. We will understand the importance of database cursors. We will talk about the database system variables and why we need them. How to debug a procedure is one important topic which the participants should not miss. The trainer will show different ways to debug and analyze the procedures. We will learn how to create custom tables, user-defined functions, and table user-defined functions. Internal table is the vehicle which all ABAP developers ride in every ABAP program. Can we declare and use internal tables in SQL Script? Yes, of course, with a little different flavor. We will learn how to search internal table and get the index, check the existence of data and usage of record count and insert. We will also check is empty, absurd, and data functions. We will continue exploring and learning more functions: set, unset, default null, except operator, and the most important function of this course, the AMDP function. We will dive deep into these topics and learn in a way which all participants will be able to apply in their real SAP projects. Now we would be in a position to solve a real-time S4 HANA scenario with all the topics covered. We will simulate an open item analysis use case using SQL Script, where we will use the test data provided by SAP themselves. You surely will like the display of all the techniques in this class. We will also give the overview of database procedure proxy and its practical use case examples. Next, we will shift our focus to core data services. We will talk about the what, why, and how of core data services. Our trainer will answer the frequently asked confusion regarding CDS. We will talk about the SQL view and CDS entity view. We will dig into annotations and then the aggregate functions. We will also cover CDS with parameters and CDS with table functions. Association is an important concept of CDS. We will also cover path expression. We will understand and learn the usage of ad hoc associations and exposed associations. We will also showcase the inner join association using inner keyword. Next, we will see the case and when keywords in CDS. We will learn how to expose CDS as OData services with just one annotation. CDS table function is one topic which most developers confuse. We will elaborate table functions and give distinct example of the use case which will clarify and differentiate it from AMDP functions. Virtual data model will also be covered in this course, and the trainer will teach how to model the CDS view in basic, composite and consumption view. CDS and BOPF integration is often needed in S4 HANA projects. Although BOPF is not in the evaluation list of SAP, but many clients still use them. We will cover CDS and BOPF and develop a transactional app using CDS and BOPF. It will be a good hands-on class which all participants will enjoy. These days, developers create CDS views, right and left. But if CDS are not modeled and structured properly, it loses all the power, even though it has the in-memory HANA as the database. CDS, instead of boosting the speed of the application, may impact and in fact make the reports slow. And this is happening in real projects. Our trainer will showcase bad CDS design and how to identify them and improve the performance. There are some tools and tricks which we should know to check the health of the CDS views we design. Participants should not miss this all-important topic and session. Before we end the course, we would show how easy it is to expose the CDS and app. We will create a Fiori element list report using CDS and play around it. Trust us, if you master the topics covered in this training, you will be good enough to work in any SAP S4 HANA projects. There are no rocket science, but traditional ABAP developers need to be guided and handheld for the initial few developments. And in this training, participants will be actually shadowing under our trainer, and our trainer will be their mentor. Let us look into some important date, time and other information. The first day of the training is on August 6, 2022 at 7:30 am IST. This time is GMT plus 5.5 hours. So, if you are in Europe, Africa or West Asia, you might not be able to join the live class. This time suits better for participants from Indian subcontinent, East Asia, Australia, New Zealand, North and South America. The payment of fee and enrollment process should be complete by 29th of July 2022. The link to enroll for this training and pay the course fee is in the description section of this video. Each class will be around 1.5 hours and there will be 11 classes in total. For some reasons, if you are not able to join the live classes some days, do not worry. Recordings of the class will be uploaded at our training page and the participants will have lifetime access to those recordings. We will do all hands-on exercise with S4 HANA 1809 as the backend. Server access will be provided till September 30, 2022 and it is included in the training fee. Participants do not need to pay extra for the server access. If you still have any queries, questions, feel free to WhatsApp us at +1 251 727 9273 or email us at mail@zapyard@gmail.com or mail@zapyard.com. Thank you very much. Stay safe and see you live on the training day.